Oke, jadi di video kali ini kita akan lanjutkan story. Ya, gue udah lama banget gak main nih game gitu loh. Jujur udah ketinggalan story yang kayak God of War gitu ya. Udah lama banget gak main cuy. Set. Nih, Neng Robin nih.
Brother, what a surprise to see you again.
Show yourself. Your trick won't work on us.
I've heard that a skilled mass fool received an invitation too. That must be you, right? Barely. Now that you've had your fill, it'd be wise to leave before it's too late. The music of the harmony doesn't tolerate discord.
What? Now that you have
Oh
the
ya, ini
real
sebelumnya
Robin,
udah
I'm
nongol apa ya
useless?
di Hot
Oh,
kayak
how
Impact gitu loh
disheartening.
storynya. Cuman gue
You've done so
main
much
gak
for the family.
tamat.
You should be thanking me. Because if it weren't for me cleaning up this mess, Penacony would still be in shambles. Don't you think?
That was a personal request from the head of the Iris family, and it has nothing to do with us. Step aside and stop causing trouble for the Charmony Festival.
The Charmony Festival? You think you can scare me? You think I've no idea what you're planning? I don't care what you're thinking, Chicken Wing Boy. But I'm pretty sure
Chicken
that you'll
Swing
have
Boy.
invited to be
Oh.
appearing on stage.
What is this?
After all, you're well aware of what a sorry state this dreamscape is in under the banner of harmony. Penacony, the land of the dreams. Is this truly the paradise you desire?
Stop it.
What's the rush, Chicken Wing Boy? Did I...
Chicken
Our
Wing
paradise
Boy.
is none of your concern, masked fool. Leave now, or the family won't tolerate you anymore.
All right. I'll go.
Berani
But
betul
Robin,
ya kan.
I
Aduh.
suggest you seriously consider this. Do you really believe those living in dreams can escape
Tuh
pain
lah.
and
Ya.
find true happiness?
Ada saja pas rekaman gitu seperti reconnect gini.
Well, I've done my part. And now I'm simply waiting for the fireworks to begin.
Kenapa sih
Here,
kalau
the last two gifts for both of you. And don't lose them. If by...
Look what we have here. A lovely young lady. Wait, is that
loh
me?
ya aduh kalau ada rekam ini kenapa selalu saja ada masalah ya.
Brother,
Show yourself.
I've heard that a skilled...
Barely.
Now that you've had your...
Cepat
What? Now, you should be thinking...
That was a personal...
The Charmony Fest... I don't care what you...
Ulang lagi
Penacony.
ya kan.
The land...
Stop it.
Our paradise is...
All right. Do you really believe
Aku
those...
udah dengar ini ya.
Well, I've done my... Here, the land... And it'll be through...
I heard a raven cawing in the distance. It seems the Dream Master will arrive soon.
Waduh, apalagi rekamannya itu loh, jaringannya aja kadang connect gitu kan, apalagi rekamannya. Semoga aja lancar lah ya. Soalnya udah gue turunin
Let's
resolusinya
wait
juga
here
sih.
for the Dream Master to arrive.
Okay. By the way, brother, I heard you no longer have a sweet tooth. Back when we were kids, you used to steal my desserts. Seems like a lot has changed during my absence. What?
Well, someone has to stay awake even in this sweet dream.
But that someone doesn't have to be you, or anyone in particular. You're carrying too much on your shoulders, brother. The paradise in our dreams. That Penacony is nothing more than a dream. It can't erase the worries
Surga
and pain of
mimpi
reality,
ya kan.
or bring true happiness.
Oh my.
It only offers an escape from reality.
Remember the old man we met earlier? Without this dream, he might have completely lost himself.
That might be true, but without Penacony, he could have chosen another path. As far as I know, the Intelligentsia Guild has been promoting their rehabilitation techniques for a long time. That path may have been more ordinary and challenging, but now he's in a comatose state. And the sweet dream has become sort of... Is Penacony granting these people a future? Or is it taking it away from them?
Well, don't forget this. Not everyone really has a future. The future for humanity is like the
Semua orang
sky
punya masa
for
depan.
birds.
To bring your
People mistakenly
eyes
believe
of
that
the
flight is
future.
inherent to
Wow,
birds because
katakannya
they've never
bagus.
witnessed those birds crashing to their death. Do you remember how we took in that little Charmony dove when we were young?
Yeah. We took care of it. Provided food and water, groomed its
Oh,
feathers. And later,
CPU-nya
when I decided to
13%.
leave Penacony, I opened the cage and set it free.
Well, I didn't mention what happened to it in my letters shortly after you left.
I had surmised as much. I knew you wouldn't have avoided mentioning the bird for no reason. Despite that unfortunate outcome, I still believe it was the right decision. Birds aren't meant to spend their lives in cages. They belong in the sky, even if they can't fly.
But here's the thing. If there are birds in this world that can never fly, can we really assert that they belong in the sky?
Are you implying that the same goes for humans too?
Let's take the Astral Express as an example. The Nameless made tremendous efforts to bridge worlds, gaining fame across the universe. However, only a few extraordinary individuals can endure such a perilous journey. That's because the pursuit of the Trailblaze exceeds the capabilities of ordinary humans.
Trailblazer.
Otherwise, why would this path be filled with broken rails, an abandoned express, and even a fallen Eon?
That's just sophistry. If that were true, then only the powerful would have the right to determine the future.
Unfortunately, that's exactly what happens. Another name for the future is self-value. While this world has its fair share of heroes who inspire people
Self-value.
and garner admiration for their heroic deeds, the majority of ordinary people will never become heroes in their lifetime. Some are born weak and vulnerable. Some find themselves trapped in unfortunate circumstances. Some fall victim to malice and cowardice. When it comes to survival, everyone is equal. And the weak can only watch as their value gets constantly diminished by external forces.
That's why we should care for the weak and support them as if their suffering were our own. That's what the Odes of Harmony have always taught us.
While the Harmony holds noble aspirations, the strong will always be strong, and the weak will always be weak. Even in this carefree dream. Human nature contained in the end. If people can't even secure their own survival, they won't care about the illusory future of equality. As long as the law of survival of the fittest prevails, there will always be fledglings crashing to their death.
But if people don't live for the future, do they merely exist for
Beda jalan ya.
survival?
Iya. Wow.
If even you, my brother, don't believe that the Harmony will save the weak, then which Eon can make our dreams come true?
People often forget that when the first bird took flight, the entire world envisioned a future where no more fledglings would ever crash to their death.
Are you reading, sister? What are you reading?
Mr. Gopherwood gave me a picture book. It's about the story of the
Gadis yang
harmonic
polos
strings.
ya, dia masih kecil ya.
If I
Dari
could
ceritanya.
become a Void Master, I'd like to summon
Pakal cuy.
Dominicus, the harmonious choir. I want to sing with everyone and spread our wishes so that all can feel happiness and joy.
I see. Then
Naif
I
semua.
would summon
ya.
the harmonious choir too.
Don't you have a wish of your own, brother?
Of course I do. It's
Then let's build a stage there.
a deal then.
Yeah, it's a deal. But
Maybe you will have to become a star first.
It's become stars. Aduh, kalau rekaman di laptop emang ampas ya. Laptopnya masih kentang soalnya. Aduh, apalagi encodernya gitu kan. Awal mic-nya. Wow.
You're back
Budget
sooner than I
banget.
thought. Any results?
Yes. And now, it's up to us to forge ahead.
Since his last will has now been conveyed, my final mission is complete. But pardon me if I sound curt. It's good to have determination. Why else would he have chosen to sleep in solitude, staking everything on some nameless in the future?
Nameless the future.
You have the numbers. And in numbers comes strength. So that might just delay your inevitable a little more.
Mhm.
got any more encouraging words?
As I see it, relying on
nggak
Welt's
ikut apa ya?
negotiations alone is
Kayak
far
lupa
from
cerita
enough.
sebelumnya itu loh.
Regardless of whether the other party will be compliant, negotiating simply allows us to meet them as equals.
Ada aja itu loh
Won't grant us an
problematik.
upper hand.
Kayak malesnya kalau reconnect begini itu ngulang lagi gitu loh.
Penacony is our rival's home turf,
Aduh,
and we already have very few chips left to play with.
betul wifi
Rather
gue
than idly
aman
sit
tuh
around
ya.
while the families got us blocked off,
Emang kayaknya
an
rekaman game
offensive
offline aja
approach
kali ya.
might be a wiser
Kalau game
course of
online aja
action.
masalah.
We're more familiar with the Stellaron's properties than most. And since it's the key to stabilizing the sweet dream, it's vital to the family's interests. By attacking their core interests,
You're back sooner than I thought. Any results?
Lock is a
Yes.
lock. Oh my
and now
god.
it's up to us to forge ahead.
But pardon, why else would he have chosen? You have the numbers. And in
Got any more
As I see it, Penacony is our rival's home turf, and we already have very few chips left to play with. Rather, we're more familiar with the Stellaron's
Aduh,
properties
tolonglah
than
ya.
most.
Jangan ngulang-ngulang
And
lagi.
since
Ini lagi
it's the
story
key
nih,
to
bukan lagi main
stabilizing the
pukul
sweet
ya.
dream,
Beda.
It's vital to the family's interests. By attacking their core interests, they're bound to retaliate hastily.
Hmm.
And as this
That's right. As long as we pose a threat to the Stellaron, either with words or otherwise, we have a chance at
Oh,
gaining the
ya,
upper
jadi
hand.
apa namanya?
But the problem
Engine
is,
ya, jadi
on
Kamen
the eve
Rider.
of the Charmony Festival opening, how exactly are we going to get close to the theater? Family security will be airtight, and if we brute force it, even if we succeed, it's too risky. So, no one's gonna say anything? Then I'll raise my hand. I know the answer to this question.
Ternyata kita masih punya prajurit yang hebat.
Why are you speaking like the general of the Law Fu?
Nah, ya, udah mendarat
So,
jagung gitu.
I heard that before the Charmony Festival begins, there'll be a pageant to kick off the festival. It's called the Soul Glad TM Festivity Auditions, or something, and it's going to be held in the moment of Scorch Sand. As long as we clinch the top spot, we'll be able to attain the title of Festive Superstar. and be able to personally bask in the.
So, how do we go about participating in these festivity auditions?
I've already procured special invite tickets from Miss Robin's fan club.
Aduh.
To tell you the
Kenapa
truth,
mic-nya ada
I had been
aja
preparing to
masalah.
join the auditions all along. But now it looks like even if I scrape through, I probably still won't have the chance to shake Miss Robin's hand.
So they're still running this thing, huh? It was originally just a publicity stunt.
We'll follow March's plan. Mr. Gallagher, will you be joining us?
I'm afraid I won't have the time.
Wah, ngeharap
Virtual
dia
character.
Gallagher ya. Ada 4
Already
cewek di
completed my
depannya.
final mission.
Gitu loh, termasuk saya
Whether
pakai
Penacony can
MC-nya.
awaken from this dream is all down.
Should we ever cross paths again? I'd love for you to visit the Express.
All right.
And Miss Firefly, we thank you for all your support. We're faced with a formidable enemy. As long as the Astral Express and Stellaron Hunters' objectives are aligned, we're willing to cooperate with you.
We've already come this far together. I'd like to join you for the rest of your journey on Penacony.
This is also the spirit of the Trailblaze. Now, everyone, let's...
Masih sangat jauh banget itu loh. Tinggalan banyak cerita.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Score. If you have ambition,
What is this?
and the drive, dear friends, the next superstar of Pen.
Oh, wow, they've really outdone themselves. Oh, I'm starting to get excited.
Behold, here come 4 friends with spirit high and full of steel. Are you aspiring to be the superstars of the festival?
Is he talking about us?
Aduh, harusnya gue pilih apa ya? Partai yang laki gitu loh. Dia nge-harem situ. Harusnya kata terlanjur. Gimana lagi?
Excuse me, you 4. What are you hoping to get out of all this?
As the last group of contestants, how confident are you in overcoming all of the challenges?
Would you be open to a brief exclusive interview with us? It'll be quick.
Your journey is long and fraught with peril, yet under a sky blanketed by banners, you vie for the
Sword and Rose! Protect the beauty!
A knight's head is hard as
Apaan
steel.
nih? Waduh.
Brother Lance Focus is stubborn as a heel. We don't know.
People are pouring in. Kinda feels like all sorts of baddies are showing up. Let's get.
Ladies and gentlemen, please make way. Make way.
Mikri. Siapa nih?
Allow me to introduce myself.
Wow,
I'm the director of Soul
udah
Glass
berumur ya.
Aideen Lida. My
Hello, everybody. I'm Himiko, a nameless from the Astral Express, and these are my companions.
Don't you guys need to hide your identities?
Can't hide it anyways. Penacony is plastered with our posters. And because the Astral Express is so well known, the family won't dare to
Terkenal
make any
ya.
rash moves.
Alamak. Stretch brush. Halo semuanya, Aku ini manusia tuh gamer apa nih? Yang komedi lah ya. Situasi sedang krisis begini, malah ikut ajang pencarian bakat. Emang boleh? Gitu lah.
Given the situation, this is our best hope. So let's just get it over with quickly.
Kita cari
Everyone,
apa tanggapan yang sangat berbeda daripada umumnya. Ya.
loves adventures.
Hello, everyone. I'm Firefly. I am also an ordinary girl who enjoys adventures.
I'm Firefly.
So,
Firefly.
bunch of nameless guests. This final face-off is bound to
Api
be
terbang, ya,
spectacular.
Firefly.
Time is precious. My 4 friends, come with me. Grab a bottle of Soul Glad and make your dreams a blend.
Ini apa nih?
This place is buzzing.
That's right. This venue is a miniature
Oh, nggak bisa
representation
cuy, gue kira
at
bisa.
time known as the era.
Lumayan ya, nyicil kita sambil mulung ya kan. What is this?
Grab a bottle of Soul Glad and make your dreams a blast.
Nameless, your arrival reminds me of the grand occasion when Penacony was first established. Once, during a particularly grueling day, I passed out and was resuscitated by a drink from Mr. Sousa. That sweet taste has since been etched. The dream-chasing era was truly a wondrous time. Oh, I wholeheartedly hope you make it to the finish and emerge as the next superstars of Penacony. That's the trailblazing spirit. How about you, Miss March?
Hello, everyone! Next up, get ready for the Mega March 7th adventure, where I'm going to break the speedrun world record!
Trailblazing into the uncharted and challenging the limits. That's Miss March 7th for you. How about Miss Firefly?
I hope that by the end of this journey, everyone will have achieved the outcome that they hoped for.
Kurang ya.
A wonderful wish.
Ya gitulah.
Miss Himiko, what are you expecting from your team?
Safety first, everyone.
Nah, dia lebih bagus.
Simple words.
Kata-katanya dia yang penting keselamatan nomor pertama.
Waiting for you are three
Sistem
stages, each
kerja ya,
connected to
dunia
that
kerja
era.
ya.
The first two stages offer two
Utamakan
distinct
nyawa
paths to
gitu kan.
choose from. With unique, and in the last stage, you will face off against a champion who has defended the title to this very. Those are the rules. Simple. Everyone clear? Now, I hereby announce that the 33rd Sports Sand Festival.
Ya webcam gue burik amat ya, gue beli murah sih soalnya.
As the Charmony Festival is drawing closer, we must reach the end as quickly as possible.
Webcam murahan 25.000 gue beli cuy.
Splitting
Aduh,
up into two groups is the best choice.
ngirit ya, laptop aja kentang pakai Asus.
March and I haven't known Miss Firefly for too long.
Loh, rekamannya aman gak ya?
Overly familiar with
Yang
her.
penting stabil aja sih kalau menurut
Probably be
gue.
better if the two of
40
you paired up.
fps.
Fine by me. Let's do it.
All right. I don't have a problem with that.
Tidak ada waktu, ayo diskusi. Ini seharusnya kalau gua pakai karakter laki, pakai Velplay itu ceritanya lebih dapat ya kan. Selama ada aku, kita pasti kita sombong.
We'll split into the assigned groups then. Let's not waste time.
Okay, come on. You see that?
Welcome to the first stage of Soul Glad Enterprises.
Aku sama Firefly. Tapi
In the School of Acting Challenge, you have to complete 3 performances from 3 scripts and move the panel judge. Now, make your choice.
Apa nih? Mau kasih tantangan? Rekaman mesti ngelek-ngelek gitu loh. Padahal di sini gameplay itu aman gitu kan. Soal encodernya ampas banget AMD. Oh, ini apa nih? Tekan tombol yang diatur beli koleksi. Udah paham deh. I see. Ini gak benar kah?
The champion's crown awaits you on the stage. Welcome to the Arena of Action Stars.
Competitors, allow me to introduce the rules of this challenge. There are a total of 3
Apaan nih?
stages
Udah
up ahead,
cepat langsung.
each with their own
1 poin.
challenges. It's
Lamaan.
worth mentioning that the fastest time for this stage...
Time is of the essence. Let's make this quick.
Ini penting nih ya, karena soalnya ini pakai one hit aja. Bagus. Ya, kita mulung dulu. Mulung is number 1.
You are about to confront the monsters of the primordial dreamscape. During this period, Penacony as dream chasers who've come to Penacony.
All the Soul Glad is ours. Don't even think about pulling the Soul Glad from our...
Cepetan. Kita duel ya kan, kelamaan itu. Langsung to the point. Kasih paham. Kok bersama sih?
In the name of Landau, a will forged in ice never falters!
Time for a buzz.
That's half the work.
Sebenarnya sih bisa main otomatis ya, cuman aduh.
Destined for oblivion. You won't get away.
Ini dari OBS kok ngelek-ngelek rekamannya ya. Aduh. Emang gak kuat nih sebenarnya sih. Soalnya encodernya parah kalau AMD bukan Nvidia. Nvidia encodernya tuh lancar gitu. Walaupun cari lawas ya, kayak GTX 750 Ti itu bagus encodernya.
You took the bait.
It's the best gaming chessplay. Apaan nih kok nggak mati?
Still waters of oblivion.
This ends here.
Ah, I see.
You won't get away.
You took the bait.
Destined for oblivion.
Oke, belum isi SP-nya si anu ya, Boronya ya. Nggak teleport dulu sih soalnya sih.
Pretty simple. I just hope these tests don't take too long.
It's very simple no. Mana sih ada hililanya nggak? Apaan nih? Kita coba ya. Kadang kayak puzzle juga males gitu. Soalnya suaranya bisa sih. Ini nih ya, kalau udah malam bingung gitu. Kan bisa lewat sini kok. Oke. Wah, ada sesuatu. Oh ya, perasaan tadi di belakang percakapan ada sesuatu loh. Udah terlanjur gitu kan. Apa nih lawan sini? Oh tuh, bentar dulu. Nggak ada. Nggak ada hililan dulu
Congratulations on
ya.
becoming the first group of Dream Chasers! Answering just as you're about to give up.
Why is our opponent?
Because this is so...
Isn't this just product placement?
To safeguard the integrity of Soulglad.
Udah kelamaan langsung duel. Tuh. Aduh. Ini yang utama nih.
In the name of Landau, a will forged in ice never falters.
Trickier to crack.
Yang penting defense dulu ya kan.
Time for a fun.
I have something for you. Perhaps you still don't understand. Humanity never conceals its desire to control the heavens, and I'm no exception.
Gue tengok
Another journey begins.
rekaman
Destined for oblivion.
pakai MP4 ya kan. Kasih mamam deh mumpung.
I weep for the departed. It too shall fall.
Gila. Jackpot apaan sih? Achievement.
Time for an overhaul.
Apa nih keteknya nih? Gak boleh gitu lah.
Can I have fun this time? Time for a fun.
Still waters of oblivion.
Aduh, muka pak rekamannya nggak ngelek-ngelek ah.
Me with pain, and I provide with Soulglad.
Kalau dari gameplay sih aman, cuman rekaman OBS kadang ngelek cuy. Mana nih? Hadiah, nggak ada. What the hell is this? Ini ada sesuatu nih, tarik. Kita langsung.
Congratulations to our... No matter how late...
None will take my Soulglad away from me.
Dua dino ya, langsung aja kelamaan.
Grab a bottle of Soulglad and make your...
Kelamaan cuy, langsung duel aja kan.
It'll heal.
Biar lebih hemat SP, kita kasih defense dulu ya.
Never falters.
Trickier to crack. Time for a fun.
I have something for you. Perhaps you still don't understand. Humanity never conceals its desire to control the heavens, and I'm no exception.
35 menit. Belum bisa ya, sabar.
This ends here.
Nah, kasih mamam ya. Terus nih. Gelo.
It'll heal.
Can I have fun this time?
Ini dulu. Ntar nge-break.
That's half the work. Destined for oblivion.
Jos, gila.
You've got a lot of nerve.
More enemies.
Satu aja nih dihilangin dulu, meresahkan soalnya.
Still waters of oblivion. I weep for the departed.
Dulu. Pastiin dulu. Pindahin.
It too shall fall.
Nah, kan jadi enak gitu lah ya.
I have something for you.
This ends here.
Can I have fun this time?
Gak usah, tahan.
Destined for oblivion.
More enemies. Time for a buzz.
You won't get away.
Wow, it's the smidge, you know, bro.
The butt. You truly are a beast.
That should do it! Okay. Let's go. Isn't this fight way off from the actual storyline?
Nah, betul. Udah menyimpang.
Transforming into a dinosaur isn't imaginative enough for you? This is the sort of magic only seen on Penacony. Anyway, let's get after an extended battle. You finally emerged victorious! But the companion who journeyed to Penacony with you chose to leave, having lost all hope. In the years that followed, you encountered each other once more on the prosperous streets of Penacony, but dared not
Yo,
call
welcome,
out to
Kak.
one another. Perhaps akin to the lingering regret of every dream chaser. Ah, well done! You brought to life the thrilling action scenes from Once Upon a Time in Dreams with your fighting skills.
Looks like we won! Let's hurry up and get to the next stage.
Bentar dulu, kita nyicil ginian ya. Tuh kan ada sesuatu kan. Walaupun isinya nggak seberapa, setidaknya lumayan.
Don't forget to let your friends in on the action.
Apa nih? Jangan lah, gue lagi butuh. Apa cuy?
Seek, and you will find.
So,
Congrats to both of you for clearing the stage, but more importantly, are you having fun? Fun is more important than success. Look at the time! You finished much faster than that red-haired contestant did.
That red-haired contestant. Who is that exactly?
My God.
You'll find out eventually, but only if you clear the next test first. Welcome to the second stage of the 33rd Scorch Sand Festival in the 20th season, sponsored by Soul Glad Enterprises. Gunfire time! You You have the option to choose gunfire and undergo Brother Hanu's trial, or time, where you'll face Clucky's trial. And now, make your choice!
Oke, bentar. Ini lokasi yang tadi bukan sih? Nggak terlalu paham warna pink ya. Pink ya kan, warna laki banget pink gitu. Wow.
Dear friends, welcome to the enchanting universe created by the Watchmaker. It is said that these cartoon characters were inspired by the Watchmaker's own experiences. Enter into the world of Hanu via the TV by the entrance, and
If it's a gunfire trial, we should be able to settle this with a fight, right?
Nggak ada sesuatu nggak nih? Gak ada, ya udah lanjut. Ada ya? Burung nih. I see.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ini sih jadi anak kecil.
Both in control of this Hanu character.
very good. In this Hanu's Adventure episode, alas, Hanu present.
Oh, brave Hanu, you look like you could really... Long time no see, Hanu.
Puzzle.
Oh my! Are you telling me that Boss Stone... Listen close, but you know...
Aduh, kelamaan deh. Gue langsung to the point ceritanya gitu, bukan gameplay beginian gitu. Bukan tipe beginian. Gak ada keadilan deh.
Now scurry along. I can't wait to see...
Let's stay alert and make sure those monsters don't spot us.
Mana tuh tadi?
Look up there. If we can push that thing down, do you think that would do the trick?
Nih robot ngapain deh? Ganggu bener. Wih. Salah. Solin deh. Cepet pergi gak lo? Aduh. Ntar, oh ada sesuatu nih. It's a box, man. Oh my god. Nah, bentar dulu nih. Kan sampai sini. Apaan? Pusing nih.
jigsaw pieces.
Kayak
Let's
cepet
hurry
yuk.
back.
Haha, ini nih. Mana? Aduh, kalau udah malam ini agak lipet ya. Di sini deh. Nah. Gitu. Oh, ini sini. Nah. Bentar dulu. Ini. Cocok deh. Nah. Dekat fast. Benar sih? Tak benar. Oke.
Oh
Oke.
my! The exquisite sensation of perfect alignment.
Dah kelamaan,
My
bacot amat
organizational
nih.
itch has been. Hurry now, Hanu.
Such.
Kelamaan ya.
Disconnecting from that thing so suddenly has left me feeling slightly disoriented. Is
Apaan?
that
Oh my god.
what exactly is he talking about?
Tick-tock! It's time for me to make an appearance!
Loki.
Clocky?
In Dreamville, Clocky is everywhere and can do anything! Like right now! I can... Hanu says, battle! We must do battle!
What the hell is battle now?
The enemy is at our doorstep! And... touch that suspicious-looking TV right now!
How?
So they just. Sheesh.
Kelamaan deh.
Here we
Langsung
go again.
lupa terus ya.
I am gradually getting used to this. Huh. Who knows? I might even be able to perform some high-level moves with Hanu.
Oh, did someone say high-level movies just now? That's right, pal. The upcoming script is just exploding with all sorts of high-level shenanigans. Last we saw, but brave Hanu
Aduh,
won't go down
udahlah
without
kelamaan deh.
Guess what? Hanu's fate.
Suruh ngapain ini?
The storage room.
Sini kah?
It's behind the shelves, right?
Ntar dulu nih, gue nggak paham nih, sabar. Lihat mana? Berarti kan lewat tempat yang tadi nggak sih? Kok bisa cuy? Tuh, masa ke bawah? Itu robot turu. Ini apa? Gak bisa. Waduh.
He wasn't lying. thing. There's actually a bazooka here. Now we should have a way of dealing with those baddies.
Aduh, meresahkan semua ini mah.
This thing feels just like the soaring locust too.
Kita namanya wajib ngehemat. Nah, nih. Bisa dipulung lagi kan ya? Beko. Nah, bisa dimulung lagi sih, nggak masalah gua.
Careful. It looks like we've got more company. Get ready to fire.
Holy shit, man. Keren. Datang lagi kah? Oh my god. Kalau
Here we go
bikin
again. But no big deal. We're pretty handy.
gelo. Wih. Aimnya ke sana ya kan, bukan?
No, the not so unstoppable Hanu has actually fallen.
Kelamaan.
Quickly, return to the battlefield and seek revenge against the bad guys.
Padahal aimnya udah anu
Here we
banget
go
dulu.
again.
Nah, dia aimnya benar itu shit. Oh my god, holy shit man. Tidak cukup malah ya lo. Mama tuh. Oke.
That should be all of them, right?
Oh my!
Ntar kita mulung ininya dulu, pulung-pulung. Padahal itu bisa dianu ya.
Well, that's that.
Lah, kalau
This is what exploring the cosmos is all about.
apa tadi? Sultan Letter.
Don't forget to let your friends in on the action.
Little T-shirt. Bukan Little Mermaid. Oh. Oke, kita lanjutkan.
Congratulations to both of you! Oh, you've overcome all obstacles and proven yours in the final stage. You are welcome to the 33rd.
Udahlah, kelamaan, bacot. Langsung to the point itu loh. Ceritanya ngulur-ngulur banget. Ngantuk gua cuy. Mana nih? Pink suka warna pink gitu. Laki banget. Apalagi
No way.
ini.
I think I just saw someone extraordinary.
Kita dulu What is this?
Please wait! My beautiful lady. By the glorious light of beauty! I never thought I would see you again. In such turbulent times, your kind faces are as spring's gentle breeze. Bringing solace to my scorched heart.
Argendi.
Are you a knight of beauty?
You've already heard of my humble title elsewhere? I am deeply honored. Upon hearing of the impending festivities, I commanded the one and only to bring me to Penacony with full haste. Alas, the cosmos unguarded by the beauty. Disorder prevails. Thus fortunately, the mini-rabbit mech pilot, stray cat duelist, galactic ninja...
Beauty, sungguh mempesona. Kamu yang berbakat jadi penyelamat ya. Sedang sibuknya melangkah dunia, boleh minggir sebentar?
Saving the world! What a righteous act of beauty! If that's the case... No, that won't do! The rules of the contest are sacred and inviolable, just like beauty. What would be the noblest choice?
Dah deh, kelamaan kamu nurut kek. Ini demi kebaikan alam semesta, ya kan?
Is built upon the Stellaron and the countless sacrifices.
Oh, to encounter deeds so vile they stir one's very soul. However, present-day Penacony bears no marks of the Stellaron's taint. And the family has always been renowned for spreading harmony.
Ceritanya belum bagus itu loh.
Can I be sure your
Bikin
words
ngantuk
hold
mungkin.
truth?
Kasih paham.
I'm not wrong. The Knights of Beauty also received an invitation from the Watchmaker, right?
That's right. But what does this have to do with the Stellaron?
Actually, we've already...
It's clear to me now. Evidently, you are traveling in pursuit of the beauty's ideals. Go forth, my dear friend. Beautiful miss. The audition's crown is yours to claim. I shall remain here, gazing from afar as you bask in the limelight. Joining...
Thank you, Knight of Beauty.
Oke, ternyata dia paham ya kan, bukan orang yang kelas kepala. Ya. Oke, thank you.
Penacony's really thronging with talent. I hope we make it in time.
Tuh ngantuk cuy. Efeknya gitu lah ya, bikin ngelek-ngelek. Ada sesuatu yang bisa saya ambil kah? Udah deh, buruan deh, langsung aku hantam kayak. What the hell is this? Apa nih, wotak nih? Oke, kita udah kumpul kembali.
Congratulations to the both of you on becoming the festive superstars of this year's Charmony Festival. Before entering the Grand Theater, I, on behalf of the organizers, extend my sincere congratulations to you, wishing you joy under their radiance.
Kamu kok bisa di sini? Kamu sudah selesai menegosiasi dengan pemilik mimpi? Cuman selamat yang tulus saja. Mana Stellar Jet? Ini. kita suka to the point ya kan.
Your endeavors are worthy of extra recognition, and I've taken steps to ensure that. However, this reward, as previously promised, my sister, Mr. Yang, and I have met with the Dream Master. We delved into the truth about Penacony and its Stellaron, and have come to a consensus. Both I and the Oak family cannot acquiesce to your request.
Oh.
Just
Sia ya. Cari sini sana sini.
We acknowledge the perspective of you, Nameless. Penacony does require change, but not as you propose.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
The planet of festivities cannot and will not revert to a place characterized by chaos, disorder, or anarchy. Through your journey of overcoming obstacles, you must have glimpsed the essence of that era. The vulnerable ruthlessly eliminated. Equality non-existent. Common folk living precarious lives, eking out a dreary existence. Ultimately, only heroes like yourselves manage to achieve success. But I would dare ask, if you did not possess the special status of having a Stellaron, and you were but an anonymous and frail member among the masses, which Penacony would you prefer? A dystopia for the survival of the fittest, or a sweet dream paradise for all?
Kepecet lagi, aduh.
That's not the point. Don't let him mislead you.
Mr. Sunday, even if the members of the Oak family can't fully agree on what to do about the Stellaron, now's not exactly the time to be holding an extensive discourse about Penacony's past and future, is it? The Stellaron issue concerns the life and death of everyone on Penacony. If anyone has a better suggestion, the crew is more than willing to listen. Also, it'd be best to tell us the ins and outs of that meeting. This way, we'll at least know what Welt and Miss Robin are dealing with, and the reason why they failed to make our
turun kah? Penaiknya.
Ah, Navigator. That is precisely my intention. With all present, let's begin by discussing the details of that meeting. Let's talk about our tribulations and choices, our ideals and beliefs, and our final course of action. The only path to take.
Wah. Cepat buka Red Facebook isinya. Login. Oke lah. Apa nih? Kayak nggak tahu kontak apa nih. Berapa waktu lalu?
That for the longest time, there have been scoundrels.
Indeed, Dream Master. Once the Charmony Festival begins...
This is indeed... Do you have any suspects?
I'd like to ask, did you really not know?
I would have never thought that this Nameless...
If I have offended, the Astral Express extends its
Nameless
apologies. But the current circumstances are dire and leave no room for meticulous inquiry. We're doing this out of concern for the Dreamscape's safety. So,
Dream Master, it's just to prove that the Charmony Festival has nothing to do with the Stellaron.
Sunday, Robin, I've watched you two grow up and know your dispositions like the back of my hand. The magnitude of this matter is enormous and cannot be taken lightly. Since Sunday, might I ask you to beseech them to cast their light unto me and question me in their stead, so that no...
I will do as you command.
Robin, could I entrust you to be present as a witness, to document the truth, and to proclaim my innocence, so that all slander may be utterly dispelled.
I will do as you command.
May thy will be carried out on earth.
Oh, triple-faced soul, please sear his tongue and palms with a hot iron, so that he will not be able to fabricate lies and make false vows.
Let us begin. There is nothing...
Understood? Question. Have you devoted your life to your god, never worshipping others?
Naturally.
Do you love your god as you do yourself, always heeding their admonishments?
Naturally.
Have you strayed from the path expected by your god, betraying their name?
Never.
Have you ever been inordinate with your asks of your god, coveting?
Never.
Then, a final
Never
question.
give up.
Do you swear to fulfill all vows, past, present, and future?
With the Aeon as my witness, if I do not deliver on my words, or if I renege on my vows, may I be cursed in accordance with divine law.
They have seen your faith, and have...
Just a moment.
What is it, Mr. Yang?
I have another question I hope to have answered. To my understanding, the family's harmony and prosperity have never relied on so-called divine laws. The god you both mentioned, are they truly Xipe?
Sheev.
Mr. Yang should know that those belonging to the family toil together as if they were kin, embracing solidarity and unity under their light. All duplicity is laid bare before the harmony. Such a delicate and complex symphony. Which other god could perfectly harmonize this, if not for the Great One, Xipe?
Perfectly harmonized. Therein lies the problem. It isn't an outsider lurking in the shadows who changed the harmony, but a dissonance that has surreptitiously... In the distant past, there existed an Aeon. With one later, they fell. The route traversed by this though an Aeon may perish, paths with no masters still linger.
Mr. Yang, being overly astute can be a detriment.
So this is how it is.
For the sake of our grand cause, Sunday. Please afford these two an opportunity to rest.
What?
Wah.
Sorry, Robin. It's just you. I did not wish for you to know this. It's a pity that things have turned out this way.
So, this is the true reason I can't sing? The shadow that envelops Penacony is actually...
We were never children of the harmony. Our ideal paradise could not have been crafted by Xipe. True bliss can only be guaranteed by the one who transcends the many. Within the foundation of law, humanity establishes civilization, and through harmony, we obtain order.
Order. Oh, okay. Well,
To think that there would be remnants of the Order on Penacony.
What have you done with Mr. Yang and Miss Robin?
Don't worry. I just gave them some time alone to ponder their fates.
You should know that these actions make you an enemy of the Astral Express.
Should we need to stand against the Nameless, it would only be myself and the Oak family involved. Your efforts for the justice of Penacony are evident to everyone. and have been widely observed.
Cukup teka-tekanya, langsung intinya. Nah, itu poin kita ya.
Patience is
Karakter
a
itu
virtue.
poin.
However, I won't hold it against you. On the contrary.
If it is the order that drove you to imprison Welt and Robin, and you're using them to coerce our compliance, then there'll be no point in entertaining any type of discussion.
You're mistaken, Miss Himiko. They are in very safe hands, and just as the family has always proclaimed, no one can be harmed in the dreamscape, least of all in the beautiful new world belonging to the
cuy. Oh,
Penacony and the entire universe have witnessed far too much innocent bloodshed. The strong wield their blades against the weak in the victor's natural selection. The world abides by this principle, establishing the well-being of humanity atop the corpses of the downtrodden.
So you've decided to resurrect a dead Eon?
If Miss Himiko is interested, I'm willing to divulge the unembellished truth as to... So, come with me, everyone. Let us retrace our steps and see once again where this road leads.
What?
Huh?
Where?
Where'd he go?
Welcome. This isn't any location in Penacony's dreamscape. It's my inner world. The reason the scenery before you remains unchanged.
Did you do the same to Welt?
It's a tuning process. Stronger in effect and more draining on the mind. The gray-haired guest has experienced it before. Tuning allows you to intuitively grasp my feelings. Which now, everyone, please look at the huge screen.
Apa nih ada?
From this point on, you will witness the numerous decisions
Masih cerita,
I've
cuy.
faced. I've selected a portion of these to share with you. I believe after going through similar predicaments, you'll be able to better understand my thoughts. Let's begin. The first decision. A story about a baby bird. This story happened when Robin and I were very young. We were victims of the Stellaron disaster.
Solana
Family's
turun.
Mr. Gopher Wood, who would later become the Dream Master of
Pedasnya naik 100.
saw that we siblings had no one to turn to and took us in. Later on, Robin and I lived a time with nary a care in the world. One day, after dinner, while my younger sister and I were lounging about in Mr. Gopher Wood's yard, we spotted a fledgling Charmony dove all on its own. That baby bird was tiny. It didn't even have all of its feathers, and it couldn't sing. When we found it, it was already on its last breath, having fallen into a shrub, probably abandoned by its parents. We decided to build a nest for it right there and then. However, thinking back, that winter was unusually cold, with fierce winds at night in the yard, not to mention the many poisonous bugs and wild beasts in the vicinity. It was clear that if we left the fledgling in the yard, it stood no chance of surviving until spring. So, I suggested we take it inside, place it on the shelf by the window, and asked the adults to fashion. We decided that when it regained its strength enough to spread its wings, we would release it back into the wild. The tragic part, something that we'd never considered, was that this bird's fate had already been determined long before this moment.
Ditentukan saat mereka lahir.
Its destiny was determined by our momentary whim.
Oke, paham
I
kata-katanya
pass
ya.
the power of choice to you all. Faced with this situation, what choice would you make? Stick to the original plan and build a nest with soft net where the Charmony dove fell? Or build a cage for it and feed it, giving it the utmost care from within the warmth of a home? I eagerly await your answer.
Apa nih? Bentar. Ini kan dia bangun sangkar untuk merpati. Nah, ini kan memberi. Di sini bangun sarang untuk inilah ya. Kalau saya pribadi ya.
I'm happy to see that you made a choice similar to ours.
Oh, ternyata pilihannya sama dengan dia.
Let me reveal the outcome of this choice. We passionately nursed it back to health, preparing only the best food for it every day. We even preened its feathers. Later, on the day that Robin left Penacony, I watched it for a long while by the window. Finally, on the 137th attempt, it succeeded. But its attempt did not go perfectly. After flying unsteadily for a while, it fell to the ground, unable to grasp the direction of the air currents. The fall shattered its wings. It writhed helplessly in my embrace. But it was all for naught, finally succumbing to a painful demise. I deeply regret the choices we made. Next, let us head to the second. This story happened when I was appointed as Bronze Melodia, a position exclusive to the Oak family, charged with listening to the It was during that period that I had the opportunity to hear voices from all corners of the dreamscape. Joy, sorrow. He was a dream chaser and an illegal stowaway. Just like the rest of them, he came to Penacony in search of a better life, except that, to most people, the price he paid, I suppose you could say it was. He told me, I sold everything I could at home. The house, the land, even his 2 children. He said he could not afford to raise them, and that at least they could eat if they lived as slaves. He had a plan in place. He would buy back his children once he had made his fortune, and enjoy Penacony's beautiful dream with them. Alas, his plan to smuggle himself was somewhat clumsy, and he was sniffed out by those pig-headed hounds. After hearing the Dream Chaser's story, I immediately appealed to the Bloodhound family to cease their pursuit. That way, I'll tell you the outcome soon. Will you do as I did, and try to convince the Bloodhound family to stop their pursuit, so that the Dream Chaser may live peacefully and realize his wishes? Or will you remain silent, leaving him to languish while the hounds are hot on his heels, until his inevitable judgment arrives? I look forward to everyone's decisions.
Aduh, pilihan sulit nih bagi saya nih. Nah, di bagian kiri, tetap diam, tegakkan keadilan. Ya kan? Atau ke bujuk untuk berhenti mengajar. Oke. Pakai pilihan ini kita coba. Ya. Yakinkan family mengendalikan pengajar mereka supaya pengajar mimpi tersebut bisa hidup damai. Ya.
I'm honored to witness you arriving at the same decision.
Keputusannya sama.
Out of respect, I'll share with you the dire consequences that my choice back then brought about.
Salah lagi.
First, the outcome. He attained major success. After avoiding capture, he ran a business for a few years, very quickly making a name for himself, elevating his status. He might not have become a tycoon like old Audie. Now then, did he realize the wish he set out to achieve? No. The last time I saw him was in the real world, where the hounds were going to permanently exile him. He told me the reason he was in this predicament was because he conspired to usurp the head of the Alfalfa family. In the end, my heart aligned with the Harmony. As to your choice, And the story this time is my own.
Oh my god.
This story happened the day I was appointed the Oak family head. At that time, Mr. Gopherwood was the current Dream Master. What surprised me was that the Dream Master had only come to deliver a letter to me. He let me read its contents, and it was a letter. The letter contained the usual pleasantries, anecdotes from her travels. Nothing out of the ordinary. Just as I started wondering how this letter related to our discussion, the Dream Master began to speak.
Do you know who wrote this letter?
My sister, of course. But why would you personally visit me to hand me a letter from my sister containing mere trivialities?
To help you grasp the full scope of this issue. Do you know where Robin is at the...
From what the letter indicates, she must be in Caspelina 8, correct? She's touring there right now.
Correct. Has she mentioned anything about a stray...
A stray bullet?
A war has broken out on that planet. It is because of this very reason that Robin chose this destination. To spread the word of the Harmony. She hoped to ease the people's suffering with song, and was willing to brave mortal danger to deliver the IPC's medical supplies. Unfortunately, stray bullets show no such compassion.
Is she all right?
If the operation was successful, she should probably be recovering.
Oke, ceritanya bagus nih, udah mulai bagus nih.
By the eon above, the bullet struck her neck directly, yet possibly as a reward for her consistent deeds of harmony. It didn't hit any vital arteries.
Those damned savages! I'll pack my bags right away. My gratitude for bringing this to my attention, Mr. Go.
Now you understand why she always wears such elaborate neck ornaments, don't you?
How could this happen? Miss Robin...
It's all in the past, so please don't worry. I share this in the meager hope that you will understand the Harmony's limitations and predicament. As grandiose as the... Likewise, I've prepared one last question. One last choice. Because this is merely a figment of imagination. A nightmare that has haunted me through countless nights. Would you still support Robin's journey on the path of harmony?
Oh. Pilihan. Karena kan dia terluka, ya kan? Pilihan yang sangat sulit, cuy. Kalau orang normal dukung, ya kan? Tapi kayak penasaran sama hentikan. Oke.
I see.
Nah, pilihan kita berbeda mungkin.
I am now aware of everyone's stances. Raising these questions merely serves to illustrate one point. The plight of Penacony cannot be salvaged by the Harmony. The true foundation for a sweet dream paradise can only be established through the order where the strong govern the weak. I know the suffering of being tormented, the turmoil of losing your way, how sorrow and even despair set in when matters don't work out. All of this causes me unending pain, because this is not what happy. We must teach the weak how to live a happy life. And this life isn't some noble propriety that the upper crust preaches, but in definitive terms, a way of survival that belongs to everyone.
So what is your definition of living a happy life?
Good question. Human consciousness is fundamentally an illusion, A cage. When one mistake after the next permeates the masses, they become impossible to trace. Thus, the amassing of these individual cages culminate to form a prison. A place dictated only by the rule of survival of the fittest. Nature is always accompanied by predation and sacrifice. Its antithesis is known as order. That is what I want to do. Unite people's happiness under the banner of order. They won't need to make bitter choices any longer, nor face the weaknesses of humanity. They can cast aside their primal instincts to build a haven for mankind. Simply describing thoughts is far too abstract, so allow me to provide a simple example. As you all, during these hard-earned rest days, people are given the chance to extricate themselves from the stresses of everyday life, allowing a certain tranquility to return to their souls. And it is only on these days that people do not have to adhere to the law where the strong prey on the weak. From where I stand, society's ideal system should be 7 rest days. Following Sunday, there should ensue a second, a third, and indeed an infinite procession of Sundays. This should be the face of the new world. Idyllic, eternal, peaceful days. And thus, every person can return to their base selves in this utopia. Some gaze in reverence at the stars, pouring their whole beings into calculating the distance between us and the isolated world of Pagana. Meanwhile, some seek refuge in quiet corners, holding one another, unencumbered by the chains of unwelcome obligations. There would be no need to bear the hardships of reality. Only in this way can humanity face the inevitable end with the purest of spirit. Living, Miss Firefly, you who are stricken with entropy loss syndrome, you of all would surely understand this.
Wah, bagus nih ceritanya nih.
It sounds like a flawless theory. But what is the price to attain all this?
The cost is minute, merely a personal and eternal sacrifice. If this paradise is to be maintained for everyone, someone must remain trapped in solitary awakening until the end of the cosmos.
Awakening. Which means that this so-called paradise is still a dream. Stepping into this paradise means forsaking reality, correct?
Dunia mimpi ya, kayak bukan Shikoyomi.
Transcending flesh, blood, sorrow, weakness. If the physical is the root of spiritual suffering, it is only logical that we defeat it.
But in this supposed bliss, people won't have defeated their demons. The chance to overcome their tribulations would be forever lost to them. In other words, it is an escape.
That's another way of understanding it. But there is no shame in escape. On the contrary, the seeds of escape exist in everyone's hearts. Don't you agree, Miss Firefly? And as for why life slumbers, it is because we are afraid to awaken from our dreams. But this is not in conflict with the grand plan. Only in acknowledging this can we truly understand the frailty of human nature. And from there,
I admit that you are a born leader. Your perspective on humanity brims with pessimism. Yet you express compassion for all, even when your heart pities them. But unlike you, I live for the self. From my perspective, individuals making choices for themselves is their birthright. The want to escape may be innate in the weak. But whether they are weak or not, it is not up to another to decide. Perhaps in your mind, you also view me as weak? Because I don't think so.
Since Miss Firefly has said her piece, the Astral Express will also naturally give you our answer. We'll leave it to you. Just as Mr. McHale instructed before. Tell him our choice.
Kita kasih. Wow, this is choice.
What is this place?
Does this place ring any bells, Misha?
I don't know, but I feel a sense of...
It's the realm within a dream bubble. This was left to the Astral Express by a nameless, but Dr. Edward from the Dreamscape sales store told me that dreams are formed from memories. So I thought you might be able to help us in unraveling this mystery, Misha.
I don't know much about dream bubbles, but if you want to figure out what this mansion is, I'll do my best.
I'm counting on you then.
Himiko, I still don't get it. Why were you so sure that Misha had a connection with this dream bubble?
I wasn't sure. It was just a hunch. But since Misha feels familiar...
Tempat ini.
Exactly. This is where you and Firefly encountered death, which we now know as dormancy. The question now is, who brought you here? We're drawing closer to the truth once more.
All right, but there are doors all over.
I guess... maybe...
Oke. Tapi sebelum itu gue udah apa ya? Rekaman berapa tuh? 1 jam 30 menit ya. Oke, jadi untuk ceritanya sampai sini ya kan. Masih jauh banget tuh. Oke, kita lanjutkan di next video.